So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, we all are celebrating Independence Day, and today, all the students will give some speech on Independence Day. So, first, I would like to call Veer to start the speeches.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Vizen. Today I am here to present a topic on Independence Day. We are celebrating Independence Day after the 1947 on 15 August. Uh, Independence teaches how can we live, and our freedom fighters teach us how can we survive without money, without home, without family, and anything. We don't. We never think what sacrifices our freedom fighters do for the next generation. And and our and we celebrate this day because with the help of our anti-freedom fighters, our India got independence in 1947, 15 August. It is it is a day for remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for the next generation. That's all.
That was a very nice speech by Veer. Now, I would like to call Ayush Mistry for the speech.
Hello everyone and all my dear friends. So today, as we know, today is 15th of August. So today we are celebrating Independence Day. So today I am going to tell a speech on Independence Day. So let's start. On today's day is very important for all Indian societies because today is 15th August. On 15th August of 1947, we got independence from the British, who ruled our country for around 200 years. So many great fighters devoted their entire life for the freedom of our country. Like those are Mahatma Gandhi and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and so many more. So many brave revolutionaries sacrificed their life for the freedom of our country. Those are Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, who sacrificed their life for the freedom of our country and also achieved freedom. Our freedom is priceless, and our great freedom fight continuously on the border to protect our country. Now it is our duty to work hard to develop our country, and that nobody can rule us again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Ayush. Now, I would like to call Christy.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all of you. I am Christy, and first of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Independence Day. And on this occasion, we all have gathered here to celebrate this festival very curiously. And this is the festival which it is a national festival, and it is celebrated with a lot of joy and curiousness in our country. And it is our 78th Independence Day, and we got our independence on in 1947. And it is not only the day to celebrate independence and more. It is also the day where when people and we all of us remember our freedom fighters who fought for our independence and sacrificed their whole life. And just like there are many freedom fighters, just like in the women, Sarojini Naidu, Kasturba Gandhi, and many others. And in the men's, I would like to tell about Bhagat Singh and Jawaharlal Nehru, and there are many more. And let's talk about some stories. Sarojini Naidu spent and sacrificed her whole life for fighting for the advocate the women's education and equality in India. And we will face the bullet of the enemies. We are free and we will remain free. This slogan is written by Chandrasekhar Azad, and it was the slogan which is symbolizing that we are free and we will remain free, and we have courage and pride that we are an Indian. And now let's talk about some national symbols and motto. The motto of our country is Satyamev Jayate, which is the truth alone, truth alone. And now let's talk about some symbols, just like our peacock, which is a very beautiful and our national bird also. And we can talk about our just like tree, banyan tree, which is also a very famous tree, and many more. And let's talk about our Indian flag, which is having tree, which is having three color, and there is a blue color in the middle of the flag, which symbolizes the Ashok Chakra, and which symbolize the ocean, the blue sky of our of our earth. And the saffron color symbolizes the courage and pride, and the green color symbolizes prosperity, and the white color symbolizes peace. And they can kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush me, but they cannot crush my spirits. Thank you. This slogan is written by Bhagat Singh. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, Christian. That was a wonderful speech. Now I would like to call Ishika.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. I am Ishika. I am here to present a speech on Independence Day. So, happy Independence Day to all of you. May the color paint your life with happiness and prosperity. Now, I am starting my speech. Independence Day is the most important day in the history of India. On this day in 1947, India became free from British rule, and many freedom fighters sacrificed for the independence of India, like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and etc. It motivates us to love our country. As we celebrate Independence Day, let us remember to be grateful and proud of our country. Let us promise to be kind, work hard, and help each other to make a better place for everyone. We have lucky to live in a wonderful place. Now I'm telling about the British rule. British rule for 200 year. In 200 year, they do a lot of crime on Indians, and they looted about $45 trillion from India, and they killed 10 crore people in India. Its main reason have been said that low wages and starvation. But now we are independent because of a freedom fighter. So we should give respect to a freedom fighter. That's all about in my speech.
Thank you, Ishika. Now I would like to call Purvi for the speech.
Good morning, sir, and all respected teachers. My name is Purvi Soni, and I will. Today is 15 August. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day this year. We got independence from British rule, and we celebrate this day with joy and happiness. And there are many freedom fighters to fight for freedom, like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, APJ Abdul Kalam, etc. And we celebrate this day with joy. That's all.
Thank you, Purvi. Now I would like to call Yashraj.
Good evening, all of you, and respected sir. I am Yashraj Adam, and I am here to deliver a speech on Independence Day. We are gathered here to celebrate 78th Independence Day of our country, India. It is 78th Independence Day of our country, India. On this day, we got freedom from British rule and Britishers by fighting. Many people and many freedom fighters gave their life and die for the freedom of our country and for our country. and we should never forget our freedom fighters sacrifices. And this day Independence Day is also a national festival of our country India, and this day is celebrated with joy and happiness. And Independence Day is marked as an important day in India's history, because on this day we remember some great Indians and great leaders. And I have also a quote: freedom flows in our veins. The so, freedom flows in our veins. That's all.
Thank you, Yashraj. That was a good speech. Now I would like to call Harsh for the speech.
So first of all, very good evening everyone. My name is Harshvardhan Bhargav. Today is 15 August and we all are here to celebrate 15 August. But now I am telling about some struggles of our Indian freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, B.R. Ambedkar and etc. Now I am and in some time the Britishers comes and rule all over the India, and the Mahatma Gandhi, B.R. Ambedkar and many great people come and they fight to give freedom for our India, and they success to give freedom for our India. And in 1947 15 August we all are free from the Britishers rules, and no one come to rule all over the India from 1947. And this day is also known as the Independence Day. This is a very great and best fight by Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose and etc. That's all about my topic.
Thank you, Harsh. Now I would like to call Sumit.
Hello everyone, I am Sumit Rawat. Today I am 8th class. I will speak on Independence Day. Independence Day is a very important for our country. In celebrate all India and all religions celebrate Hinduism, Jainism and Christian. There was a celebrate all religions Independence Day. Independence Day is a independent our country. Independent country is a British army to handle struggle in Indians in freedom fighters. Example: Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad. I will tell a quote of Chandrasekhar Azad: Will we face the enemy? We will remain free. There was a writer called Chandrasekhar Azad, and national motto of India in Satyavi Jayadev. There was a India flag in very important Independent Day. That's all.
Thank you, Sumit. Now I would like to call Shrey Bhaiya for saying one of the thought.
So hello everyone, good evening to all of you. I am here to present one thought which is very famous of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So there is one very famous thought which is faith and strength. They both are the essential accomplished to do any hard work. That's all. Thank you.
Now we would like to conclude this video here, and if you like this video, just like our video and subscribe our channel. And once again, wishing you all very happy Independence Day.